go. Fucking untouchable. Yes. Fuck your shield goal. Oh no, I guess I have to do this. Fucking Seahawks. Bitch, I didn't say do that. Right there. And it's good. That's 32, you idiot. Fuck. Break this nigga's rib, break it. Yeah! Come on, Dan, we get that motherfucker. See how it's fucking sad. You guys can't go nowhere.
Brandon.
What?
You're entertaining. Oh no, you're gonna be quiet?
Get that mother. Yes. Haha. Bitch, I want football.
Their last plug ended with the receiving team celebrating a touchdown. Let's see what happens this time out.
Why do you keep flipping me off? Brandon.
Ah, fuck you, Seattle.
You live in Seattle.
Huh?
You live in Seattle.
No, I do not.
You live in Washington State.
I don't give a fuck. Seattle can suck it, dude. Go Fitzgerald, catch it. Ah, what the fuck kind of shit was that? Come on, bitch. Third touchdown in a row. You can't touch me? Oh, fuck you. And fuck you.
You forgot I was recording, didn't you?
Yeah.
Hey, babe, you know what?
What?
I just realized you look like Christmas. You're wearing green and red.
Green.
It's still green.
Can't fuck with Fitzgerald. For 48, I'll make it easy to 50, like the 2-point conversion. Ah, fuck you, Seattle.
You were getting more angry earlier before I started recording.
Because there's no way in fucking hell Seattle scored 10 points against Arizona. It's just not fucking happening.
Oh, they just did.
No. They haven't scored a single goddamn point in like the last 4 minutes. Because I keep putting them down. Like I'm about to do again. Oh, what the fuck? How do you leave him open? No! Bitch, you better fucking run. Oh my fucking god, you stupid fucking furry faggot. I'm gonna fucking kill you. The fuck are you laughing at?
Laughing at you.
You fucking cunt nugget. No. Oh shit.
Fucking cocksucker, fucking flop like a fucking... Oh.
Tell me how you really feel. Dad?
Seattle needs to be fucking washed in this fucking ocean. Except for when they do that. They leave Fitzgerald all the way open and run like a 40 yard or so. Oh, that was fucking amazing. Why the fuck do I keep hearing whistles? What the fuck? Shut the fuck up. Seattle, if you keep calling fucking timeouts, I'm gonna fucking kick you in your nuts. I can't do shit if you keep fucking twacking out. Oh my god.
Oh my fucking god!
And how does that make you feel?
Makes me want to punch a hole in the TV.
Hole in the TV? I don't think that's a good idea.
Oh my fucking god, the game is glitching out. Turn the fucking camera off.
Okay.